Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn fun English. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Look at this. What is it? Caterpillar. 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 Cute caterpillar. है ना cute? And what is it? Candy. 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 Crunchy candy. Car. 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 Caterpillar. Candy. Car. What is the initial sound of caterpillar? K. Caterpillar. K. Candy. K. Car. K. K. Trace it with your index finger and say it about. Go around. K. K. Now please match the picture with its sound. Caterpillar. What is the initial sound of caterpillar? K. 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 Then please match it with K. What is the initial sound of ball? Is it K? K ball? No. K apple? No. K car? Yes, it is. K car. Then match the car with K. K candy. K candy. Its initial sound is K. Then match the candy with K. Can you tell me what is this? Tell me please. K. Yes, it is K. 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 Now you have learned the letter K. 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 Well done. अगले सबक के साथ फिर मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह. अल्लाह हाफिज़.